In this video, we're going to be doing some practice problems where we are going to take the standard form of a conic. We're going to identify which conic it is, and we're going to complete the square. Now, let's start off with our first question. Now, first you have to group the x terms with the x terms and the y terms with the y terms. We're going to isolate them on different sides. So let's first complete the square for the x. This is -8. This matches the form, so this is going to be a parabola. Let's find some features of this. We know that 4p we can see that we have x squared, so it's going to be like this. Therefore, you're going to add, to get your focus, you're going to add 2k. For a second problem, now we're going to complete the square. And this is an ellipse because both square terms are positive. That's because this is going to be a squared. That's going to be b squared. So that means that A is equal to 4, B is equal to 3. Now, what are extra features? So we have A, B, C, so our A squared. No. So this is actually 16. Now for our third problem. Remember this, when you're factoring, or when you're completing the square, the coefficient should always be equal to 1. Just want to double check. So now what we're going to do is factor as a difference of squares. We're using difference of squares, so that's going to be 5x plus 2 squared minus y. 2 times y minus 2 squared is equal to 0. So you're going to have 5x plus 2 minus 2y minus 2, 5x plus 2, 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now for each factor, set each of them equal to 0 using the zero product property. So this is going to be a degenerate hyperbola. So these are our equations. So we can just write our answer as this, or you can write it as this. So that's a normal conic. When you get 0, it's going to be a degenerate, And when you get a negative, that means you made an error.